Hey guys, it's Nelly. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I feel like a present. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create this hairstyle. It's super easy, super cute to do. I was inspired to do this look by Sofia Richie. She posted this picture on her Instagram, and as soon as I saw her hair, I was like, I need to do that hair. So I wanted to do a quick little tutorial. It's super easy to do and it just looks so cute and so girly that I had to share it with you guys. And yeah, this is the finished look. So if you want to see how to get this super high pony, half up, half down hairstyle, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So this hairstyle is super easy to do, really simple, really easy. You don't need a lot of tools to create this look, and I'm sure that whatever I'm going to show you, you already have at home in order to create this hairstyle. I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair. So I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to section my hair and I'm going to move it up like this. So right at the ear, you're going to move your fingers up towards the back. And then once you're here, you're going to get hair from the back as well and move it to the front. So now you're going to get a smoothing brush and you're just going to smooth everything back. You don't want any baby hairs out. And now I'm going to take my hairspray. I'm going to spray down the hair. And again, I'm going to go in with my smoothing brush and brush it back. Her ponytail is really high up, as high as we can to the front of her head. So I'm gonna go in with the comb and I'm just gonna smooth all of that out. I'm going to try to put it at the top of my head. Brush this back. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take an elastic and I'm just going to I'm gonna tie this up. Alrighty. Okay, I'm gonna have to move down a little bit. So now I'm just going to take my ponytail and I'm just going to scrunch it so that this right here kind of opens up and gives us a nice volume. I'm gonna go ahead and take my iron and I am going to curl my ends inwards to give us that volume that she had in her picture. And I am just going to curl my ends inwards. Like that. See how it just added like a nice little flip? I'm just gonna do that all around my hair, and it doesn't have to be perfect. The messier, the better. See how that just kind of added a little bit more volume? I'm gonna split this one up into two. That's better. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take the teasing comb, the smoothing comb, and I'm going to tease this part of the hair, because if you can tell in her picture, she had like a really nice rounded pony. So I am just going to tease this a little bit so that we can get that rounded effect as well. And then smooth it out. And then once you have that really nice round, I'm gonna go ahead and take some hairspray and just kind of set that. So my favorite part is you're going to take some black ribbon, or if you have a bow, a big black bow, take that out. But I just have some black ribbon. I am just going to tie this around the ponytail and make a big bow. Okay, and then you're just gonna go ahead and apply some more hairspray. Yeah guys, this is it. This is a completed look. Really easy to do, really simple, and it looks super duper cute. This is the perfect hairstyle now for spring and summer. You know, you just kind of get your hair out of your face and it still looks really nice and pretty because you have like a big bow. You can change the bow color, do other different colors, and I don't know, I really like it. So yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.